Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You need cheats enabled and the correct Minecraft version. Once done, give yourself operator permissions or use a single-player world. Open chat and start with the simple /title command. /title player subtitle text, your subtitle. This shows a non-persistent subtitle across the center of the screen. Make sure to target the right player name or selector, such as @A or @P. Once you've confirmed the subtitle appears, you're ready to build more complex text components and timing controls. Now expand the subtitle with JSON text components so you can add color, formatting, and extra fields. For example, /title at a subtitle text. Wave incoming, color, red, bold, true. To control duration, use /title player times 107010 where values are in ticks. You can also chain with /title player title. For main text, when you use selectors like @A or scoreboard triggers, make sure the selector matches the intended players. Otherwise, the command will run but show nothing. Finish by placing commands into repeating command blocks, a function file, or run them manually to confirm behavior under gameplay conditions. Use /execute if you need context-sensitive subtitles tied to entities or locations. Make sure timing and chaining are correct so subtitles don't overlap unexpectedly. If something stops working, the most common issue is JSON syntax, mismatched quotes or commas, so validate your text component. Also verify game version compatibility and that command blocks are enabled.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.